How to send Google Meet invite link via Gmail. First, open the Google Meet application on your device. If you want to share the link, it is actually very simple. Tap on the option New. Tap on the option Create Link that you can see on the screen. Now the link will be created. Tap on the option Share that you can see on the screen. Now you can share this link. You can see various platforms over here. Scroll down. Find the option for Gmail and tap on it. Now automatically Gmail will be opened. The mail will be composed for you. All you have to do is add the recipient. Enter the recipient's email address over here. A subject will already be written for you. If you want to edit it, you can tap on it. Enter the subject. Compose the body. The body will automatically contain the link. It will also contain the code over here. Tap on the send icon that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, the email will be sent. You can open the Gmail in order to check it. Go to the send section in order to see the email that you have sent. Like this, you'll be able to send Google Meet invite link via Gmail. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching.